This is going to be a video tutorial on how to disable political content on the Facebook app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I am on my phone now and I have the Facebook app opened up. To disable political content, first thing you want to do is go to Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left hand corner up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to scroll down a little ways to where I see the Settings and Privacy section. You want to make sure that that's expanded. And once it's expanded, you want to tap on Settings. Then you want to scroll down a little ways to where you see the Preferences section. And in the Preferences section, right down here is Content Preferences. Tap on Content Preferences. And under where it says what you see, political content, you want to tap on political content. It says political content. You can manage suggested content about things like governments, elections, and social topics. This won't impact content from your account you follow. Down below that it says suggest political content. By default that is toggled on. Down below it says if this is on, you may see political content from accounts that you don't follow. If it is off, we won't suggest political content when we recognize it. You want to toggle this off right here. That is how to disable political content on Facebook using an iPhone. Thanks for watching.